Have you ever wanted to easily script these interactive applications? How about this? And this? Well, there's a Linux tool called Expect that can do that for you. Expect is a tool for automating interactive applications. Expect is a scripting language that talks with your interactive programs or scripts that requires user interaction, while AutoExpect generates an expect script from watching a session. So let's get started. First, find an interactive application that you would like to automate. For this example, I would like to upload this file to my FTP server. So the manual process would look something like this. So notice during the FTP session, the output contains a lot of information. Most of this information is unneeded or unimportant to the expect scripting language. Okay, so now I will start the session recording with AutoExpect. So this was the original command to FTP to my server. But this time around, I will add AutoExpect -p, and what the -p does is it directs AutoExpect to only look for the last line of the program's output, which is usually the prompt. Now I will add -f, and -f is the file name. So what's going to happen is that as AutoExpect watches the session, it will save everything into this file. So now the AutoExpect is watching the session. And as you can see from the bottom here, the AutoExpect is done. The session recording is done for AutoExpect, and the file that it has created for me is called autoftp.exp, and we can see it right here. At this point, all I need to do is run this script, and this entire process that we saw up here will be automated. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's it. Any terminal interactive application can be automated with AutoExpect. Why spend hours writing a script when AutoExpect can do that for you? So here are some important notes to remember. For automation to work correctly, the interaction between what is inputted and outputted must remain the same. Sometimes the expect script runs faster than the application. In this case, use the sleep option to temporarily suspend the script. The expect scripting language allows manual intervention using the interact option. If you'd like to see more of these videos, give a like and subscribe.